Hello everyone, we will talk about Johnson Control VFD alarm and error solutions. How we can solve alarm of Johnson VFD. There is a one code E.BE, Brake Resistor Alarm Detections. Actually, this alarm detected when there is too energy from the motor. Okay, so we are using brake resistor in our motor when we are stopping VFD quickly. In that case, there is some DC voltage, so we are doing discharge to that voltage. Okay, so for that we are using brake resistor in VFD. So what is the happening? There is we are stopping VFD quickly, so there is some DC voltage, we have to reduce that. So for that we are using brake resistor. Okay, so what is the solution? We have to reduce the load inertia, or we have to replace the VFD in this case. So for that, most of time it will be like resolve using reducing the load inertia, or sometimes it is required to replace the VFD. This alarm is most of time resolving this alarm, uh, reducing the load inertia. Or we have to check our brake resistors also, are they fine? If that is fine, in that case is required to reduce the load inertia.